Toyota Land Cruiser 2016. Adus Prani full restoration begins.
All right, these lug nuts are off. Now for the bumper bolt. Just one more click. Got it. Perfect. Set it down. Moving on. All right, on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, time to tackle these doors. Should be straightforward. Just a couple of screws left, and that's the driver's side door off. Looking good. Got it. Now for the other side. Find the clips, snap. Here we go. All right, let's get this done. All right, time to tackle this rust. Let's see how well this grinder works. Looking good, back to new. Let's pump her out slowly. Watch the fender there. Time for some fresh seals. Time to get this new timing belt installed. One is. Yep, definitely time for a replacement. All right, easy does it. Just a little to the left. Perfect. Set it down. Got it. All right, let's get this new radiator in here. Oh, looks like a perfect fit. Yeah, now just to connect this hose. Nice and soapy now. Hand with that. Got it. Almost got it. This nut looks a bit stubborn, but we'll get it. There, it's off. Look at the rust on that old part. Need to line this up properly. Got it. Now to tighten like it needs a little help with the tool. Things are perfect, and the finish is smooth. Another job well done. Just need to wipe it down now. Tight with the painter's tape, no paint leaks. It is applying smoothly. It's exactly where it needs to be. The clear coat is done. See that finish? Perfection.
Final coat now. Optimal coverage achieved. Excellent, the curing process can begin.
All right, lowering the vehicle now. Every time. All right, dashboard's back in, fits perfectly, looks brand new. All right, the wheel's on. Just need to tighten these last few bolts and we're good to go. Nice, ready to go. All right, now for the perfect fit. There, good as new. Looks perfect. Getting that perfect shine on these beautiful wood details. Looks fantastic. All right, time to tackle the details. Nice and clean, just the way I like it. right, doors reinstalled and perfectly aligned, just like new. Crystal clear and ready to shine. Perfect, perfect. That's a clean fit.
Exceptional gloss. The full exterior machine polish makes all the difference.